Hello, I'm Miss Grace, and for this week's videos we decided to focus it on colors. But what I am gonna try to focus it on colors that relate to animals. So as you can tell from my little background here is colors and animals. And I don't know if you guys can tell a little pattern here that's going on between my poster and my work shirts. But I do have a question for you guys, and it starts off like this. So this is the question, read it to yourselves. I'll give you a few moments to try to figure out what that word means. And you guys got it? Remember, my hint is the shirt with the poster. And that's the word, camouflage. I'm going to be talking a little bit about camouflage and the benefits and some of the top animals with camouflage with a little bit of an activity for you guys. So that is exactly what my video is going to be about. So first of all, what are the benefits or reasons as to why an animal would camouflage? So they have there's so many environments with these animals, so they usually just use it to blend into their environment. So it could be like a little green area, a brown bark tree, you know, that sort of thing. It's also to protect themselves against the predator. So sometimes they're trying to camouflage themselves just so the predators wouldn't see them and they wouldn't get eaten. It's also a defense mechanism against to appear more dangerous. Even though some of these animals might not be dangerous, they actually do camouflage or change colors into something just so their predators would stay away from them. It's also to, of course, intimidate the rivals. So it's not just because to say that they're poisonous, but also to frighten the other animals. It's also to attract mates, you know. It's basically just key to survival, and actually there's some animals who actually mimic other animals. Those are the very unique ones. They don't just change colors to their environments or because of to hide or blend or protect themselves. They actually change and mimic. Mimic means they copy something else. There's one on the list that I will show you that actually copies it looks like another animal, but actually I think it's a pretty cool animal. So you'll see that in a few moments. Actually, as you can tell, right here, I'm going to be showing you a few pictures of these top 10 animals. So stay tuned. Now that you guys looked at that video and saw the animals and how they blended and how pretty and cool they were, the next thing we're gonna do is this right here. We're gonna do a step-by-step activity with an animal. Now, can you guys guess which animal I chose to do? A few hints there. Well, I'm gonna try to do this. Can you it actually blends in with me? It's a chameleon. So we're gonna do this in a few moments, and it has the little straw right there. So you see the little tongue right there? Well, if it works right now, let's see. It moves its tongue, which I think was pretty cool. So, and it blends well. Oh, look at that. It's blending well. Anyway, so we're gonna be doing this right now. In a few moments, I'm gonna be showing you the supplies you need for this. So here's what you'll need. Obviously some tape and some glue, scissors. Oh, look, I didn't even it blends. I didn't. Okay, anyways. Marker and a little pen or pencil. Construction paper. Now I'm gonna try doing a different color this time. So the red one will be for the little tongue. This one will be for the eyeballs, and I decided to do or show you guys how to do a green one, a green chameleon. Those are the most common ones, I think, the green ones. So yeah, some popsicle sticks. You don't need that many, you just need one. So popsicle sticks, straws, which again you guys can guess I will use the green one probably. And a little plastic cup, only because you need to, like the little tail, you need a round object. So yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get started. So you will get your one of the green construction papers, and you will just fold it in half. And then once you have that folded, then you're just gonna make like a little rainbow type of shape. You just go like that, and then you cut it out. And then for the other papers, you're just gonna do the little eyeballs. With the other green one, you're gonna do just a little circle, which you used with the cup to make it like even. And with the red construction paper, all you're gonna do is cut one little side of it and just get like this little strip, because it's gonna be the tongue. So I will show you the next few steps. Like I mentioned before, this I just cut it and made into this, like that. So you know, like it opens up like that, because that's gonna be the little body. Oh, and yes, I did my nail polish matches too. Anyways, so yeah, this, and then you're gonna get your little tongue, and then you're gonna get your little straw. Now with this one, it's not as difficult as it was made to seem, but you will get it from here. Try putting it in the middle, like that. And then I just pulled a little thingy from the straw thing, you know, the little bendy thing. I just pulled that to make it longer. You pull that here, and then with this one, you try to make it look like a hot dog. There you go. So you just try to put it in there like a hot dog. Let me just like a little hotter. I would suggest putting tape on this actually, just so it doesn't move around. Can you see the like the little hot dog? And then with that, you also try putting it in here. So let me see if I can. Ooh, I hope it doesn't fall. Oh, see, there you go. Oh, there you go. Perfect. That's perfect. So that's what you're trying to do here. Exactly like this. And then this area here, you're just gonna glue it all in. So let me do that, and I'll show you the next few steps. This is how it should look for right now. This is how it should look for right now. So you can see the little straws inside. This is the little tongue. This is the little body. Next, you're gonna get your little circle that you cut out, and you're just gonna make like this swirl type of pattern, because that's gonna go on here. But first, you're supposed to cut it. So where there's the black lines that you made, you cut it there. And then lastly, you will put the two little eyeballs right here. So I will show that in the next few steps. A little tail right here, I pasted it here. I glued this whole thing here. I put the eyes on both sides, and also added with my marker, I just add some lines to it. You can also, the last thing I would do is just the popsicle stick, so you can hold it in here. So I would try hide it under the tail or something, so you don't see it as much. Around there somewhere, so you don't see as much. I'll show that in a few moments. And the last important thing would be to just get one of your pen or markers or something, because you're gonna roll the tongue. So it's like you just grab it from here. Let me show you. Like grab it from here, and then you roll it up. So you grab it from the low edge and you just roll it up. Like this, as you can see, and then leave it there for a few moments so the it gets like ingrained. It gets it permanently stays like that, like rolled up. So give it like a few seconds or something, and then you let it go. See? And then once you have that finished, make sure it's glued on properly, but once you have that finished, then you just go. You need lots of breath too, and lungs in your air. I mean, air in your lungs. But it works. You can roll it up again, make it a little like that. And see? And that's the end of the little project here. So now you would have two of these little chameleons. One's hiding back here and the other one's right here. But yeah, that was the little art project here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys make it, because I actually have fun making this too. It's really cute. But anyways, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video on colors and how animals use colors and how it benefits them. And yeah, I hope you learned something new, and yeah, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.